Hello, this is Lou Hughes, leaderologist in Houston, Texas. And look, I am personally inviting you. You're receiving this because either I or someone has personally extended an invitation to you. I wish I could extend it to everybody, but you are one of the select few. Look, I'm about to transform your mind. If you are invited to this, you have got to come. You have got to attend. I'm going to help you to live your best life ever. That's right, live your best life ever. I'm going to help you cross that bridge between habits, which is discipline, to results. I hope to see you there. I want you to take a look and listen. This is what you're going to be in for, and I hope to see you. So you got to say some affirmations that are going to make you feel better, even when it looks like it's not going to happen. Look, I do have good grades. I don't care what the grades look like. I do have good grades. My marriage is well. My health is well. Look, success is coming to me daily. I am who I say I am. I am getting a promotion. You got to speak into your life even when nobody else is speaking to your life. Positive affirmations will change your circumstances. All you got to do is believe by faith, and it will come to pass.